As requested, here is a simple fly. You can do it as a 10, 12 or 14, black thread, 140 and an 8/0 with some black straggle. I fish it very fast, and as you can see from my videos, I do catch a lot of fish, although some of them are mainly photographs. Let's see how we tie it. I favour silver or gold 3.8mm beads, and I start off with a 140 black thread, wind it all the way down to mid position. And then using some silver wire 0.15 or 0.20, I tie that in and then tie off to the hook shank. Once I'm on the hook shank, I spin the thread to tighten it up and bring the thread all the way up to the bead. This creates a little rib effect on the actual hook itself. Once I've got that in, then I wind up the silver wire all the way up to the bead. Put a bit of thread behind the back of the bead to hold it in place. May take a couple of turns, but what you don't want is that bead moving around, because it'll just mess up the straggle once it's in position. Once you've helicoptered off the wire, it's just a case then of whip finish the thicker thread. And then you switch over to an 8/0. Put a couple of turns in and then just snip off the excess. Get yourself some black straggle, in this case it's 6mm. You can get 10mm and 16mm. I've made flies with them in the past, and to good effect. Gentle turns, keeping the frazzle on the outermost. If you wish, you can also put some varnish on the hook itself, covering the black thread and the silver wire. I tend not to, because I've got hundreds of these flies, and every so often I like to put a fresh fly on, because they do get destroyed, especially the straggle. And then when you're happy with the position, a little bit of varnish on the thread, tie it in nice and tight. Whip it off, cut the thread, and then I brush it up with the old toothbrush. As I say, you can make these in a variety of sizes with different coloured heads, but I always stick to the black frazzle. Sometimes I've put a red tag on the bottom, but fished very fast, either letting it sink on a floating line or fishing it on an intermediate. I've had great success. Simple fly to tie, a fly that catches fish. Thanks very much for watching, everybody. I'll catch you later.